When the door lands in the station, cut the power. You'll have the child and the criminals responsible for this whole mess.
Great. A welcoming committee. What are we gonna do?
This is the CDA. Come out slowly with the child in plain sight.
Okay. You got us. Here we are. Here's the kid. I'll cooperate. But before you take us away, I have one thing to say. Catch!
23-9-23-9-3-19. We have a toxic projectile going to contaminate. Oh, hospital cell traffic area. Bring in reinforcements.
Stop him!
Make sure all the
Come on. Don't let them get away. What? Wait, come back. He has a child. Solomon, give me the child. Give her to me. Open this door. Open this door. Solomon, don't do it. Come on, don't go in that room. I think we stopped him, Boo. You're safe now. You be a good girl, okay? This has gone far enough, James. She's home now. Just leave her alone. I can't do that. She's seen too much. You both have. It doesn't have to be this way. I have no choice. Times have changed. Scaring isn't enough anymore. What, kidnapping children? I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die, and I'll silence anyone who gets in my way. No!
Good night, Mom. Night, sweetheart. Good night,
What?
Mom.
What?
Good night, Mom. Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated.
Well, I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I spotted several big mistakes.
But how did... How
You know
did...
what? Let's watch my favorite part again, shall we?
I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die. What? I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die. I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die.
I'll get him. All right, come with us.
What are you doing? Take your hands off me. You can't arrest me. I hope you're happy, Sullivan. You destroyed this company. Monsters Incorporated is dead. Where will everyone get their scream now? The energy crisis will only get worse because of you.